Hey guys, this is me George, and this is my first video on this channel probably, and I just wanted to start this channel as a way to show my social proof and to give value to people, because I know there's a lot of people who are a few steps behind me and who want some value, they want some help, and I wanna give something with this channel because I met a lot of people in this great community that have helped me a lot, and this channel is a way of me to give back to the community by giving 99% of all the information that I know and the information that I get, so that I learn actually. So this is my first video and I decided to go with this topic on how the easiest way to close your first high ticket client, and literally anyone can do this with this framework because I used a lot of made scripts from people who already made them, and like from some gurus basically, and none of them worked. And I came up with this framework myself, and it was just to try something different to go the other way. And yeah, let me actually show you. So as a growth operator, I know how frustrating it can be to try land your first high ticket client. The self-doubt I had, constant rejection that made me procrastinate a lot, and the feeling that something is missing. I actually procrastinated a lot when I got that negative replies that the way outreach was basic and that it was really bad, that everyone does it, and basically all those replies made me stop for a while. And when I came up with this framework, I tested it out, changed some stuff, and it worked at the end. So I've been there, but I also know the feeling of finally closing that first high ticket deal, that have high ticket client, the validation, the confidence boost, and the momentum it gives your business. It's crazy, and it's worth it, all the grind. Oh, so that's why I'm here to share you the exact strategy I used to land my own first five-figure client. No false promises or hype, just an honest step-by-step playbook you can use to start attracting high-value clients of your own. Because I truly believe if I can do it, you can do it too. And I'm newcomer to this, and I've never been, that type of outreaching master. So I think that if I could land my first client, big client with this, so can you. So be transparent from the start. When I first started outreaching, I used to make bold claims about the results I could deliver. I would say I could triple your revenue, or I could 10x your revenue, or I could make you 10,000 just like this. And that was a huge mistake. My reply rate was sad because clients could smell desperation and the lack of authenticity a mile away, which is true. People judge you very quick when you outreach them, and you need to stay on top as much as you can, basically. So instead, the key is to be upfront and honest. Share your genuine passion for helping and how you can realistically add value to their business. Focus on having a real conversation to understand their needs rather than just pitching your services. This is a huge one, literally. And the next one is to connect on a human level. Again, it's just like the first one, but it's more upgraded, I would say. So it's not just about the business. Try to establish a real connection with your potential client. Talk to them about their hobbies, their struggles, and their dreams. Show genuine interest in them as a person, not just a revenue opportunity. Again, it's about being honest, about being a real person, a person with person, having a real conversation about your dreams and his dreams. What exactly are they stopping him? And not like a sales call, but just a genuine conversation with another person. At the end of the day, people want to work with someone they like and trust. By letting your personality shine through, you will build a stronger connection that can lead to a long-term, mutually beneficial partnership. And the last one, give value to them without bragging. This one is huge, and it helped me land my first high-ticket client by showcasing my deep understanding of their challenges and my ability to solve them. By having those conversations with my client, I understood their pain points and what exactly are their dreams. And I knew that I could help them, and I started giving him a bunch of value, a bunch of tips on how to improve conversion or how to make a good funnel, sales funnel, how to put some content that could actually attract um, people who are hungry for buying his product. I gave them a lot of value and it worked because I never had any case studies, any testimonials to show him that I can actually make him money. I literally gave him raw value and it worked. I didn't just pitch them on my services. I gave them actionable, valuable information that actually helped their business. This showed them that I truly got their pain points and had the expertise to drive real results, and it made them excited to work with me, even as a relative newcomer. Give value, give as much value as you can as a newcomer, as someone who's starting. Showing your expertise is the best thing that you can do because imagine this, if you just say, um, if you give 50% of your expertise to him without even having any case studies or testimonials to back you up, you will just create this image of a person who just knows half the stuff and doesn't really know what he's doing. Instead, if you focus on giving 99% of what you know to the person for free, he will trust you because he will see the confidence that you have in your skills, and people love working with confident people. Focus on value instead of just trying to pitch your services. And those are the tips that helped me. And thank you so much for checking out this video. Have an amazing day. And if you want to connect with me, just DM me on Instagram. I will actually link it below. And yeah, thank you.